Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. This video is going to be a simple manicure using Manicurist cuticle remover and Manicurist polishes, but I wanted to mention a couple things so the video makes sense. I made a video about how to fix splitting nails with soft gel for my Patreon viewers, and I will make a video about it for you guys as well, of course. But I just wanted to also show the maintenance appointment, so I'm going to make one larger video. So this video was filmed after I applied soft gel on a couple of my mom's nails, and the rest of the nails I manicured with Manicurist products because quite a few people were asking to see the shades of the Active Smooth. Okay, so this nail is obviously a little bit wonky, so I'm going to make the other nails not wonky but a little bit rounder just so they match a little bit. But in, I would say, 2 weeks, the short nail is going to have, it's going to be grown out nicely, so that the nails can have the same shape. So I used the Active Smooth 01, and I felt like 2 coats might be too beige, and my mom likes a little bit of shimmer, so I used the Active Shine, and the nails turned out beautifully. I also used a different manicure tool because I'm testing it and I'm liking it a lot, so I might have it available in our online store as well. So let me know what you think about the tool and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. So I'm going to use the Manicurist again. And this one takes like 2 minutes to work. So I'm going to file the other hand, or shape the other hand. Just curious, what do they say? 2 minutes, yes, there you go. Apply to cuticles, to cuticle, and leave on for 2 minutes before gently pushing back cuticles using cuticle pusher. Push thoroughly. Okay, I recommend the other way around because, you know, leave it on for 2 minutes and then start nudging the skin or remove the cuticle. Some people can be slower and they can leave the product on touching the skin for too long, and then they end up with irritated skin. Okay, I still have to shape them. Because this is what I'm hearing, that many people have issues with irritated skin after manicure. And they say dry skin or dry cuticles, but it's not necessarily dry, it's irritated, and not cuticles because you remove the cuticle. It's the skin fold, the skin around the nails. this hand can be now washed off. Okay, so now, as you can see, there are skirts. These little fluffies are called skirts, apparently. So now when they're out, you can gently go underneath and get them. It is important for the skin not to be extremely dry, because then the skin is going to like kind of harden up again. Oh, this one is done. So this time there was less cuticle, because last time we did a manicure after 3 weeks. So there was, it's my dog making noises. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I always test different things, different techniques, different ways of doing things. Because that's the only way of really finding something good. And now you can go back if you have to. When it comes to cuticle remover, sometimes there could be a little bit of like hard skin, pieces of nail that are stuck on the nail, or like little, I don't know what you would call them, little pieces. So for that, you can go over with the block. But this has to be done gently. Doing this with the towel really helps. Amazing how much smoother this is. Huh. Wow. Okay. So this is why you see me when I use electric file, I actually go under the nail to remove the skirt from underneath the nail before it even showed up. Because when you wet the nails, that little skirt comes up or unfolds or something. Okay. I'm gonna leave it on for 2 minutes. As you can see, hopefully, I'm not digging. I'm not trying to dig with this corner into this sensitive area. What I'm doing is I'm keeping it parallel. And the tool is going to catch the cuticle. I'll show you this way. Okay, parallel, down, and parallel, down, gently. Okay, not like this. This way. We're going to snip this little thing. Perfect. This is just 99% alcohol. Okay, so this is going to be Active Smooth in 01 beigey color. So this is quite sheer. What I'm afraid is usually that these type of colors will, yes, they match the skin tone sometimes, which this one doesn't, but you know, we're just swatching it. But the nails are not skin tone, right? So the nails are usually like kind of ivory, really. And we want them whiter. We don't want them necessarily more yellow looking, because this is what we don't want. And they can kind of look like smoker's nails. Let me know what you think. So these nails look a little different. There's a nail on the other hand as well, because we just put a very thin coating of soft gel to fix the splitting. So that's in a separate video. But I have to say it does have like this blurring effect, but I would prefer the lighter one for sure. No, I don't have it here, but the one that I usually use. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry. And how do we know when it's dry? It loses the solvent, so it becomes more flat. So as you can see, this one is here. You can start seeing the texture of the nail. Okay, so my mom wants this one. I really like this one too, actually. I burn my toes. These colors are extremely forgiving. So if you have any ridges, if you have any imperfections, it's going to hide or, yeah, hide them. Very pretty. So this time I'm not going to forget, I'm going to take a picture outside. Because they look so much nicer. It's like glistening, this color. Okay, let them dry for together for 5 minutes or something. But these ones, again, I can see that the polish is drying, so I'm going to now use the drying drops. So these are like a silicone-based drying drops. So they put like a coating on the nail, and it helps apparently pull the solvents up so they evaporate better, apparently. And now I would give them 5 minutes to dry. It's amazing how this kind of quick manicure, the difference that it makes. Okay, 5 minutes of drying time, and we're gonna take a picture outside. Very nice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.